So in this lesson, I'll be showing you what mode is all about. So what are modes? Modes are our 7 major scale degrees, playing them in a circle, right? Our 7 major scale degrees. So what are our 7 major scale? What are major scales? So it is our 7 major scale, right? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's our major scale, right? So we are playing it in a circle, right? That's where mode comes in now. So now the first mode is called the Ionian mode. Ionian mode, which is now the Ionian mode is the same thing with the major scale. Is the same thing with the major scale. So they also call it the soft notations, right? So that is the Ionian mode. Then number 2, let me play it again. Ionian mode. So now for the number 2 is called the Dorian mode. So while playing the number 2, Dorian mode is starting on our 2nd degree, right? Our Ionian mode, which is the first, is starting from our 1st degree, which is the Do. Like I said, we are playing it in a circle. In a circle. Now the next one is called the Dorian mode. The Dorian mode we are starting from our 2nd degree, which is the Re, right? So this, which is the Re. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Then the next one is the Re. Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. So like I said, it's in a circle. Do to do, Re to Re, Mi to Mi. Right? So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3 is in a circle. So first one, our Ionian. The second one is called the Dorian, which is right. So it's Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. Let me go again. Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, which is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Ionian. The second one is Dorian, right? So Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, then Re. Good. Then the third one is called the Phrygian mode. The Phrygian mode, right, is starting from our 3rd degree. Our 3rd degree. Now this is a Do, Re, Mi. You can also use Do, Re, Mi. Right, you can actually play your major scale like this: Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Right. So the Phrygian mode is starting on our 3rd degree, which is the Mi. So Do, Re, Mi. So it's Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. You get it? Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. So let me go back from the top. The Ionian mode. Right? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. The second one, which is the Dorian, is Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. Re, Mi, Fa. Right? Starting with the index. Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. Right? The third one is called the Phrygian. Also called the minor. Right? The Dorian, and the Phrygian, they are minors, which is, our Re and Mi, they are minors, right? So your Re, Mi, the Phrygian. So Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. The next one is called our Lydian mode. So the Lydian mode is starting from our 4th degree, which is the Fa. Now this is it. Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. You see, we are actually playing it in a circle, right? Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Sorry, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. You get it? The next one is called our Mixolydian, which is starting from our 5th degree, which is the Sol. So Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. You get it? Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. That is a circle. The next one is called the Aeolian. The Aeolian mode, which is starting from our 6th, which is the La. This is also La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. You get it? Then the next one is called our Locrian, which is starting from our 7th, which is the Ti, La, then Ti. So Ti, Do, right? Then Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. You get it? Then come back to your Ionian now, right? Which is the 1. Do. So let me play it in its entirety now. So Ionian, Dorian now. You see the 2. The number 3 now is our Phrygian. So mi fa sol la ti do re mi. Right. The number 4 is our Lydian. Fa sol la ti do re mi fa. You get it? Fa sol la ti do re mi fa. The next one is our Mixolydian. So sol la ti do re mi fa sol. Right. The next one is our Aeolian. So la ti do re mi fa sol la. So the next one is called our Locrian, which is the T. So ti do re mi fa sol la ti. Then you end with your do re mi fa sol la ti do. So you can play it in a circle like fa sol la ti do re mi 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 fa sol la ti. Then do re mi fa sol la ti do. You get it? So that is the whole entire thing we call the mode. So you can, when you play it, you can actually go back like right, then you play your you get it. So you do that and you go back, you do that, you go back, you do that, you go back. So that is all about our modes.